Waaree Energies addresses 126% US duty update, expands local manufacturing capacity. Waaree Energies Limited has issued an update in response to recent media reports regarding the imposition of preliminary countervailing duties of 126% on certain solar imports from India by the US Department of Commerce. The matter is currently under regulatory proceedings, and the final outcome is expected over the next few months. Despite the earlier imposition of a 50% duty on imports from India, the company has continued to ramp up its US shipments during the first 9 months of Free 26. This performance has been supported by its diversified and alternate supply chains, which have been strategically developed over the years to reduce dependency risks and maintain operational continuity. Waaree's diversified sourcing strategy remains one of its core strengths. The company has also announced investments in Oman aimed at securing fully traceable and non-Chinese polysilicon supply. This move is designed to strengthen upstream resilience and align with evolving global trade requirements, particularly in the US market where traceability and compliance are increasingly critical. In parallel, Waaree has been progressively expanding its US-based manufacturing footprint as part of its long-term localization strategy. As of now, the company has an aggregate US module manufacturing capacity of approximately 2.6 gigawatts. This includes capacity acquired through the purchase of the Meyer Burger facility, which enhanced its local production base. Looking ahead, Waaree plans to further expand its US manufacturing capacity to around 4.2 gigawatts by the end of Free 27. This expansion is expected to significantly strengthen its ability to serve US customers directly from local facilities, thereby mitigating exposure to import-related trade actions. Based on its current order book and internal assessments, the company expects that its existing and planned US manufacturing capacity will substantially support its ongoing customer commitments in the region. Management has indicated that, at this stage, it does not anticipate any material adverse impact on its ability to service its US order book. Overall, Waaree Energies appears to be positioning itself strategically by combining supply chain diversification, upstream investments, and localized manufacturing expansion. While the final outcome of the duty proceedings remains pending, the company's operational adjustments suggest a proactive approach to managing trade-related uncertainties in one of its key export markets. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.